Hello friends. A very warm welcome from me to all the friends who come to my channel. Did you know? The Nobel Peace Prize is one of the most prestigious awards recognizing human rights activism, given to organizations and world leaders promoting peace. Between 1901 and 2017, the award had been granted 98 times to 104 individuals and 27 organizations, but only 16 recipients were women. Overall, out of the 589 granted awards, 50 women won a Nobel Prize in any category, and they still represent a small minority in the pool of recipients. This year, the Nobel Peace Prize was awarded to yet another woman, Nadia Murad of Iraq, an activist against sexual violence of armed conflicts and a victim of the Islamic State Army. Here are the women who have received the Nobel Peace Prize, and the countries they hail from. Before starting the video, I request all my newcomer friends to subscribe my channel and also press the bell button so that you will be notified of every new video. Thanks. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started, buddy. Number 1. Aung San Suu Kyi, 1991. Aung San Suu Kyi was born in Myanmar and won the Nobel Peace Prize in 1991 for her work defending democracy and human rights. She co-founded the National League for Democracy, the Social Democratic Party currently running the country and the political force that led the opposition against the military junta ruling over Myanmar since the 1960s. Although she has spent 15 years under house arrest, she has been actively involved in bringing political change to the country. In recent years, Aung San Suu Kyi has faced growing international criticism for failing to speak out against the military's treatment of the country's Muslim Rohingya minority. In August, a UN report said Myanmar's military carried out mass killings of the Rohingya. Number 2. Rigoberta Menchú-Tum, 1992. Rigoberta Menchú-Tum is a human rights activist from Guatemala who received the Nobel Peace Prize in 1992 for her work for social justice, reconciling differences between ethnic groups in her home country, and fighting for the rights of indigenous people. While still in her teens, she was involved in social reforms with the help of the Catholic Church, and her name became synonymous with the fight for human rights in Latin America, that began in the 1960s and ended in mid-1990s. Number 3. Jody Williams, 1997. Jody Williams is a civil rights and peace activist known for her efforts in defending human rights and her campaign against landmines. Originally from the United States, she studied in El Salvador in the 1980s. She founded the International Campaign to Ban Landmines, and her work prompted the Ottawa Convention to ban the use, production, sale, and stocking of landmines used against humans, earning her a Nobel Peace Prize in 1997. Number 4. Shirin Ebadi, 2003. Shirin Ebadi is a lawyer and Iran's first female judge. In 2003, she won the Nobel Peace Prize, the first of only 5 Muslims to do so, for her work defending human rights, and fighting for women, children and those imprisoned for political reasons in her native country. Number 5. Wangari Maathai, 2004. Wangari Maathai is the first African woman to receive the Nobel Peace Prize. Born and raised in Kenya, Maathai was an environmental activist and also the first woman in East and Central Africa to earn a doctorate degree. She taught veterinary anatomy, fought for democratic rights in Kenya and founded the Green Belt Movement, a non-governmental organization focusing on environmental conservation and developing communities. Maathai was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize for her contribution to sustainable development, democracy and peace. Before moving on next, I request all of you who have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. Number 6. Tawakkol Karman, 2011. Tawakkol Karman is a journalist and political scientist born and raised in Yemen. Karman has been arrested several times for leading demonstrations against the government and criticizing them for restricting civil liberties. She is the founder of Women Journalists Without Chains, a group that advances freedom of expression. She won the Nobel Peace Prize for promoting the non-violent struggle for the safety of women and for women's rights to full participation in peace-building work. Karman shared her prize with 2 other women's rights activists, Ellen Johnson Sirleaf and Lema Gbowie of Liberia. Number 7. Lema Gbowie, 2011. Lema Gbowie is a social worker from Liberia who specialized in helping those suffering from trauma during the Civil War. She was the leader of the women's peace movement that helped end the Civil War in Liberia in 2002. and has been credited for inviting women of all ethnic backgrounds and religions to join the peace demonstrations in Monrovia. She shared the 2011 Nobel Peace Prize with Ellen Johnson Sirleaf of Liberia and Tawakkol Karman of Yemen. No. 8. Ellen Johnson Sirleaf, 2011. Born in Monrovia, Liberia, Ellen Johnson Sirleaf was the first female elected president on the African continent. She ran Liberia for 12 years and was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize in 2011 for her dedication to women's rights and protection during Liberia's civil war. Sirleaf is credited with promoting peace, reconciliation and social-economic progress. She shared the Nobel Peace Prize with two other women, Lema Jibowi from Liberia and Tawakkol Karman from Yemen. Number 9. Mullah Yousafzai, 2014. Mullah Yousafzai is the youngest person to ever have received a Nobel Prize. She was born in Pakistan and has been an activist for girls' rights to education since her childhood. In 2012, she was shot in the head by Taliban gunmen for advocating for education for girls. She survived and, 1 year later, gave a speech in front of the United Nations General Assembly. In 2014, she wrote a best-selling book, I Am Mullah. Number 10. Nadia Murad, 2018. Born in northern Iraq, Nadia Murad is an activist campaigning against the practice of sexual violence as a weapon of war. A survivor of sexual violence by the Islamic State, at age 25 she won the Nobel Peace Prize in 2018 for sharing her story and the stories of other Yazidi women who were raped and abused during the militant group's campaign of ethnic cleansing in Iraq. In 2016, she was named the UN's Goodwill Ambassador for the dignity of survivors of human trafficking. She shared the Nobel Peace Prize with Denis Mukwege, a Congolese gynecological surgeon who has treated thousands of women in that country who have been victimized by rape. Friends, I hope you have found a lot of information in this video. If you like the video, please like it. And if you want to see more interesting videos like this, be sure to subscribe to this channel, and also press the bell icon, so you get notifications of all new videos from this channel. Take good care of yourself. Goodbye.